Knee pads are essential for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who spend extended periods kneeling. Whether you're working in construction, flooring, gardening, or any other field that requires kneeling, having the right knee pads can prevent discomfort and potential injuries. This guide evaluates top knee pads based on comfort, durability, adjustability, and overall value. Number 1. No-Cry Professional Construction Knee Pads for Men and Women. The No-Cry Professional Construction Knee Pads are designed for both men and women, offering a secure fit with adjustable straps and military-grade rivets. The thick foam and gel cushioning provides superior comfort, while the heavy-duty cap ensures durability. These knee pads are ideal for professionals who require reliable protection during long hours of kneeling. Users appreciate the combination of comfort and durability, making them suitable for various work environments. List number 2. No-Cry Professional Gel Knee Pads for Work with soft foam and gel cushion. These knee pads feature a dual-layered gel and high-density foam padding, offering exceptional comfort and support. The breathable polyester mesh keeps you cool during extended use, and the heavy-duty cap provides added protection. The reinforced adjustable straps ensure a secure fit, making them suitable for construction, flooring, and other demanding tasks. Users highlight the comfort and breathability, making them a top choice for all-day wear. With premium high-density EVA foam padding, these knee pads construction safety knee pads adapt to your knees for a pillow-like feel. And the thick gel cushion in these construction knee pads for men supports your joints, while the breathable polyester mesh keeps you cool and comfortable all day long. Secure fit. Enjoy a non-slip, perfect fit thanks to the reinforced elastic straps and military-grade rivets that will keep your work knee pads for men or knee protector firmly in place during any gardening or construction tasks.
List number 3. Sellstrom UltraFlex 3 Knee Pro Professional Knee Pads. The Sellstrom UltraFlex 3 Knee Pro Professional Knee Pads are known for their flexibility and comfort. The 5/8-inch closed-cell foam padding offers excellent shock absorption, while the hinged design allows for easy movement. The heavy-duty cap ensures durability, and the adjustable straps provide a secure fit. Users commend the knee pads for staying in place during use and their overall comfort, making them suitable for various work environments. Sellstrom's UltraFlex 3 Knee Pro knee pads offer professional and durable knee protection with thick foam pads for ultimate comfort when wearing for long periods of time. Professional protection. Super hard outer plastic shell is durable and holds up well to sharp objects. It's made for professionals whose work calls for kneeling, crawling, or squatting. It's ideal for construction work, flooring, tiling, roofing, landscaping, HVAC, and military or tactical work.
List number 4. Freaky Rock Professional Knee Pads for Work Construction. The Freaky Rock Professional Knee Pads are designed for comfort and durability. The thick foam padding provides excellent cushioning, while the heavy-duty cap offers protection against rough surfaces. The adjustable straps ensure a secure fit, and the lightweight design allows for easy movement. Users appreciate the comfort and protection these knee pads offer, making them suitable for construction, flooring, and other tasks that require extended kneeling. Experience professional knee pads for work construction with heavy-duty cap, foam padding, gel cushion knee pads for men. The construction knee pads for men with heavy-duty cap and high-density EVA foam padding and thick gel cushion ensure your knees are comfortable and escort your safety in work. Built to last, the heavy-duty cap of the work knee pads is not easy to be damaged and made to withstand the test of time and weather during use. List number 5. GrenPro Professional Knee Pads for Work. The GrenPro Professional Knee Pads feature thick foam padding and a soft gel cushion, providing superior comfort during extended kneeling. The heavy-duty cap ensures durability, and the adjustable straps offer a secure fit. These knee pads are suitable for various tasks, including construction, flooring, and gardening.
Users commend the comfort and protection these knee pads provide, making them a reliable choice for professionals. Premium knee pads design. Our premium knee pads utilize the latest in knee pad technology and feature extra thick, soft gel cushioning for exceptional comfort and protection. Ergonomic protective knee pads. The soft gel core and thick EVA foam padding provide extra comfort and support for the patellar tendon below the knee and the quadriceps muscle above the knee, reducing pressure on the knee during heavy physical labor.